This is our session number 14. We are in the discussion of function keys. So almost we are at the end. Function key called F11 and F12 we are going to discuss now. F11 is nothing but object snap tracking on as well as off. Okay. So what it is going to do? Object snap button we know. From that object snap we are going to get the tracking. The corresponding status bar icon is this one. Okay. It is going to give the tracking horizontally, vertically from the each and every object snap points. These are the object snap points we know. So we can get the tracking from endpoint, midpoint, center point, node, quadrant, every points. We will get horizontal as well as vertical tracking points. What is the use of that one? We are going to discuss in AutoCAD. Now I have a rectangle. I have to draw a circle exactly at the center of this rectangle. I don't know the measurement of this rectangle. Actually, what we will do, we will draw a line between the midpoints. Okay. And we will take the intersection points of these two lines as a center of the circle. Then we will draw the circle as per our size. After drawing the circle, we will remove these two lines. To draw one circle, we are drawing two lines. After that, we are deleting the same one. So the process is very lengthy and it does not need at all if we have an object snap tracking. Okay. Now I'm going to construct the same circle with the aid of object snap tracking. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to switch on F11. Now it is on. Just give the command circle. Keep the mouse exactly from where you want the tracking. Just keep the mouse, move. You will get the trajectories. So this is vertical as well as you will get the horizontal. Okay. Apart from this horizontal vertical, you will get polar tracking also. Why? Because we kept polar tracking on. Okay. Right. So now this is one tracking, another tracking from the vertical midpoint. Okay. Don't click anywhere, just move the mouse apparently. You will get the intersection of the horizontal tracking, vertical tracking. Just click this point. So this is exactly intersection of these two points. Okay. Now we draw a circle without drawing any other objects. Similarly, we will get tracking from all these object snap points. Wherever we record, we will take the tracking from these object snap points. Next function key is F12. F12 is dynamic input on as well as off. It displays the information of the object what you are going to draw on the screen of our drawing area. Okay. Default, it will be on only. Let us see what is that. Once you open the AutoCAD program, wherever you move the mouse, the cursor shows where you are exactly, which X and Y points you are now. Okay. If you want to draw a line, just click the points. Okay. So you will get the information on what angle you are going and what distance you are moving the mouse. Okay. Everything you will get. Actually, getting this information is good only. Now we don't have any drawings on the background of our screen. If you have more drawings, so what will happen? So this information will disrupt the drawings, how to draw. Okay. So the clumsiness may happen, what we are drawing, where we are drawing. Okay. So this information may disturb us to construct the objects. So during that time, if you don't want, we can switch off this information by pressing F12 function key. So this is the status bar icon, dynamic mode, input on off. Just switch off this one. Now we move the mouse, it will not come. Okay. So if you want again, just switch on, you will get the informations. Okay. We can control the settings of this dynamic input by this dynamic input dialog box. So how you want to make the pointer, how you want to make the dynamic prompts, how you want to make the dimension input and what color text fonts, everything we can adjust and modify using this dynamic input dialog box. Just right click over the icon, you will get the settings. Okay, here you have all the settings. Okay, now we can change the input pointer settings, what kind of formats you want to keep, and the visibility, how you want to modify, and dimension inputs. Okay, show 2-dimension input field at a time, show 1 dimension. Okay, similarly we have many things here, drafting tooltip appearance. So what color it needs to be appear on the model space, and at the same time layout space, color, size, transparency, everything we can able to adjust here. Okay, right. Finally, we come to an end of the function keys F1 to F12. So we have seen every function keys, how it is going to help and what way it is going to control our screen and make our drawing ability more flexible and easy for us. Okay. Right. This is the end of our session number 14 about the function keys. Next, we are going to discuss about the command options. There we are going to set our AutoCAD screen. There we will study some more additional settings of our AutoCAD screen. Okay. Thank you.